This time, we've gone so far from home, like 40 k's, babe?
40 minutes?
40-minute drive to a place called Lang Lang. It's on the, what area? The Basque Coast, I think you call it, and looking out over the Western Port Bay. It's just called the Lang Lang Foreshore Caravan Park. It's okay.
Pretty basic.
It's $30 a night, unpowered site, but it's right on the beach. That's the good part about it. We booked what they called a grassy site that has no grass on it whatsoever, and we're right next to, it looks like an old haunted cabin. It's all boarded off. I don't know if someone may be killed in there. We're not sure.
But there's some cute ones.
But there's some nice ones as well. So we're just going for a bit of a wander down the beach
So just
now.
not on 407.
Yes, we're going to look for a nice grassy one for next time we come back here because it's so close to home. It's like the staircase in WA, except it's nowhere near WA.
And what's the step?
That's where the sun comes down, like the red sun comes down. It looks like a staircase to heaven.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure there's a song named after it too. I could be wrong, but we'll go with that.
Come on, Lou.
Lang Lang is about 75 k's from the Melbourne CBD. It has a, they say it has an IGA, yes, they've lashed out. There's a Holden proving ground, so where they test all the cars. So they say it's a hidden one, but I think most people know it's here. And there's not much else. There's what?
What size is this?
It's hang on. That's a big dog.
It's a damn horse.
What was that? Windermere? Is it Windermere Park?
Coldemere.
Coldemere. It's like a little hobby farm. I think you're pretty sure they've got a cafe and stuff there.
Hiking.
We might go and have a look tomorrow. We might not. We'll see how the day pans out. There's a nice jetty down the opposite direction to where we're walking, so we might go down there later tomorrow. Oh, well, what?
Look at that. That's cool.
That's cool. And what else is there? There's not much else here,
Which is fantastic.
which is good because it's just a nice, peaceful, quiet weekend. Where are you going, Lou? Louis?
Hello.
Louis, where are you going? This way. Come on.
You support up, Bob.
Yeah. Hang on. I've got a retarded dog here. Nope.
You know how to use those terms.
Oh,
anymore.
sorry. No, I've got a special dog. A special needs dog. I'm gonna have another crack tomorrow at fishing. Well,
From the jetty.
yeah, we'll call it a crack for fishing. I'll go down to the jetty and try my luck again. I don't think I'll get a snag out here because from the jetty, the water, hopefully if the tide's in, will be deep enough.
Shall we turn around?
We shall turn around.
Let's run.
There's the jetty way up there, if you can see it. Oh, there's a Julie jetty.
Come on, Lulu.
Right up there.
Right. This way.
Go, Lou. Lou. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go, Louie. Go, 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 go. Ready? Go. Get it. Go. He doesn't know what to do. Get it.
What's that, Lou? What's that?
Mum, help me! So we've finished our walk. This is back at the van now. Oh, too close to the camera. This is what we're going to wake up to every morning. Well, every morning. I get to wake up to Julesy and the ocean. How good is that? I'm the luckiest man alive.
Come here so I can do a photo.
So, now what we're going to do, we're just going to kick back, have a couple of drinks. I'm going to put the fire on. We're having fivesies for dinner. That's, for people that don't know, is like a cheese platter. And we're just going to sit back and watch the sun go down. By the way, best invention ever. Just the gas, mate. bottles. Get a flamethrower on top. Lights anything. Good morning, Techie Tours. Saturday morning. I'm not quite sure why I'm speaking so loudly at this time in the morning. Over the coffee shop. We're having coffee. This is our third coffee machine since we've been in this caravan. Because we can't figure out what we like. So we've bought exactly the same one as we've got at home. But check this out. What a beautiful morning. Look how far out the water's gone. It's like, got to be at least 300 metres out. You wouldn't walk out there though, because you'll sink. And check the sunrise. Whoa. It's breakfast time, Saturday morning. Doing the go-to breakfast. Egg and bacon muffins on the barbie. Gonna sit and have a coffee and just watch the video. I think I caught some more seaweed. And about now is when my mic's going to drop out because I'm a bit too far away from the camera. Anyway, someone was flying a drone above my head, so I thought I'd be a bit of a fool and pretend I'm catching something. Give them a bit of a laugh at my expense, but all good. Didn't catch anything as per usual, but did find a fish head on the ground. So there's fish in there somewhere. Just not going to be me catching them, unfortunately. But next time we will have another go. And by the way, the fishing expedition went as per planned. Didn't catch a thing. Didn't get a bite, which is usual. But the neighbours caught a massive stingray, which I'll show you. It was bloody huge. I've never seen anything that big coming off the shore from around this area. But check it out for yourselves. It was bloody huge.
I've ever got.
Wow. It's the biggest one I've ever seen. Watch out for the tail, dog.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because that'll hurt you.
Stingy.
Yeah.
Hey. Is that heavy? I can't even get my hand underneath.
Yeah.
Yeah. Come on, big boy.
He just needs to get a bit of water under him.
He's probably walked it too. He's a big boy.
And he's off. Never to be seen again.
How good is this? So we are 45 minutes from home. Not even. Look at this. sunset. Tide's gone out because it was right up to here a little while ago. And we caught absolutely nothing yet again. The only thing I'm a little concerned about is this place. It's looking like a, I don't know, like something out of an apocalypse. I can't even say the word. Like a murder house. Let's go with that. Look at it. Oh my god, it's so suspect. Look at this. It's like full on.
Help me! Help me!
Yeah, okay, and that's why I was a little bit sus.
Help me!
And back to the lovely view without the zombie.
It's okay. It's okay, people.
Look at this! Look at the sauce hanging off him. Have a
We're
look.
safe.
Have a look.
It's not sauce. Someone stabbed me in the face. And cut. End the queue. Movie stars.
End scene. Exit stage left. And yet, I can get used to this. How could you not really? Can't really see you because it's pretty dark.
Can't see me because it's dark.
Yeah.
It's, what's the time? 7 o'clock?
No.
6:30.
Yeah, actually we'll lie because they won't know.
It's like 1 o'clock in the morning, people, and we're too much to drink and we're going to have some dinner. Only jokes. It's like 6 o'clock.
Alright, you lot, it's about 6:15 at night. It's absolutely pitch black out there in the bay. Look, you got nothing. We're having some chili con carne nachos. It's one of our creations. Glass of red.
Beautiful red.
Lindeman's glasses. What is it? It's
Helens Hill Cabernet.
Phoenix. Cab Sav?
We'll put it in the description.
We'll put it in the description. Alright.
Fire.
Doesn't really come up on the thing, but night, y'all.
Saturday night.
See you tomorrow.
This is living. This is living. Cheers. Yes. Oh, the weather's taken a nasty turn overnight. She's a bit windy and a bit wet. So we're packing up a little bit earlier than what we expected. It's actually not cold, but it's a bit blur. So before it gets too nasty, we're going to pack everything up and get out of here. So that's the end of our trip for this one. Hope you enjoyed the video. Got any final words, babe? Any final words before I clock out? Oh, you're going to the toilet. I won't film that bit.
Oh my god, you already were.
I'll cut it out so no one can see you on the toilet. Anyhow, poppies. Any final words before we go home? Bye bye, Louie. Bye bye. Oh, big stretch for Poppy. Big stretch. Alright, we are heading off in a couple of weeks to a place called Hazelnut Farm. We'll take you along and show you the sights of that place. Anyhow, have a good week, good weekend, whatever you're doing. See you next time. See ya. Just been having a discussion about the sun and the moon. So the sun comes up that way in the morning, and if we turn around over the water, the sun goes down over there. In the background it's still red. Why would that be? Because the moon wouldn't make it red. Can someone answer that for me in the comments, please? Because I'm very curious. What's your hypothesis?
All I know is that the sun rose there yesterday. So it's definitely not the sunrise. You tell me.
Maybe the aliens are about to take over.
They got it wrong in the simulation.
Yes. Anyhow, let us know what you think, because we have no clue. Ciao.